In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on Hey Google on your Android phone. The process won't take long, so let's just get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is tap on your settings on your phone. So if you don't know how to go to settings, you can swipe down from the top of the screen, and over here, it's at the top right, it has a settings icon or a settings gear cog. Tap on the gear cog. Once you're on your settings page, you want to scroll down till you find the Google option. So it's right here, Google. I'm going to tap on that, and then once you're on the Google page, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you want to go to the last option there that says settings for Google apps, and then you want to go to the last option once again, search assistant and voice, and then you want to tap on Google Assistant. Once you're on the Google Assistant, you'll see the first option there. It says Hey Google and voice match. Tap on that, and now you'll have the option to turn on Google Assistant. So you need to turn on Google Assistant for this. And there underneath this phone, it says Hey Google. Just toggle that on. And now Hey Google will take you through a little tutorial. You can just tap on next, agree, and now it's working. So you can say OK Google. OK Google. Hey Google, you just have to set it up. Hey Google. Cool, so everything's set up. You can tap on finish, and you can just tap on not now if you don't want the other stuff, and you can see now Hey Google is enabled. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.